हेलो, नमस्कार। वेलकम टू श्री दिगंबर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, दौसा। माय नेम मिस्टर हरदेश कुमार from Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. Today we will discuss about the capacitance, subject electromagnetic field, and lecture number 10. Capacitance. Capacitance is the ability of a body to store an electrical charge. Any object that can be electrically charged exhibit capacitance. A common form of energy store device is a parallel plate capacitor. A capacitor is a device for storing electrical charges. Capacitor consists of a pair of conducting plates separated by an insulating material, oil, paper, air. The measure of the extent to which a capacitor can store charge is called capacitance. Capacitance is measured in farad or usually microfarad, mu f. C equal to Q upon V. Charge per unit voltage. The capacitance is defined as the ratio of charges per unit volume, Q upon V. A capacitor consists of two metal surface which can be charged with different polarity. These two metal surface are separated by insulating medium, which is called as dielectric medium. But normally this medium does not carry any current. But a very small amount of leakage current may flow through it. The capacity of a capacitor to hold a charge is called the capacitor. It is measured from farad and microfarad. This is the figure. Deficiency of electron, metal plate negative, exceed free electron, deficiency of electrons, polarity of positive to negative. Another figure, charge is plus Q and minus Q, electrical field E, plate area A and plate separate distance D. Consider the two conductor as shown in figure. Conductor 1, this is the conductor 1, this is conductor 1, or this is the conductor second. Two charges, positive charge and negative charges, conductor 1 or conductor 2. Positive charges, this is the positive charges conductor, this is the negative charges conductor. Two conductors having plus charges plus Q and minus Q. A charge plus Q is placed on the conductor 1, the 1, and the charge minus Q is placed on the conductor second. This created a flux field. This created flux field. So the flux density and electrical field intensity is created. The electrical field intensity created. The charge Q is determined by taking a surface integration over the positive conductors. So C equal to Q upon V. C equal to Q upon V. Q is the charge on each plate and V potential difference between the two plates. We have flux density D. D equal to total charges upon surface area. So D equal to permeability of E. Put the value of D. So permeability E equal to Q upon S. The charge is calculate Q equal to closed surface integral permeability of E into ds. While the potential V is defined by carrying a unit positive charge from negative surface the positive surface. V equal to माइनस के इंटीग्रल नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव ई वेक्टर डॉट डी एल. दिस वैल्यू कैलकुलेट, तो क्यू वैल्यू कैलकुलेट वी एंड क्यू की वैल्यू क्लोज सरफेस में परमिटिविटी ऑफ ई डॉट टी एस. C equal to Q upon V. तो Q वैल्यू पुट हेयर एंड V वैल्यू पुट हेयर. तो C इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा? C इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन S परमिटिविटी E वेक्टर डॉट ds वेक्टर अपॉन इंटीग्रेशन नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव माइनस का E वेक्टर डॉट dl वेक्टर. The capacitance depend only on the physical dimension of the system and the property of electrical involves, right? Factor affecting capacitance. The capacitance is only a function of the physical dimension, geometry of the conductor and the permittivity of the dielectric. There are three basic factors of capacitor construction determining the amount of capacitance Peter. C equal to permittivity of ER E0 A upon D. C is the capacitance, A is the area of overlap of the two plates. Permittivity R is the relative permittivity of the material between plate, और E0 is the electrical constant 8.854 into 10 to the minus 12 farad प्रति meter. D is the separate between the plate area. All other factor being equal, greater plate are given greater capacitance. Less plate area gives less capacitance. This is the less capacitance, this is the more capacitance. So more distance, this is the less distance. More distance is dependent for some distance area. Plate spacing, all other factor being equal, further plates spacing gives less capacitance. Closure plate spacing gives less capacitance. This is the less capacitance, this is the more capacitance. Dielectric material, all other factor being equal, greater permittivity of the dielectric gives greater capacitance, less permittivity of the dielectric gives less capacitance. Less capacitance, more capacitance. This is the air, this is the glass. Relative permittivity 1.00006 or relative permittivity 7.0. This is the glass permittivity 7.0 and air permittivity 1.0006. Right? Capacitor in parallel. We pull three capacitor with capacitance C1, C2 and C3 in parallel. Charges on individual capacitor Q1 equal to C1V, Q2 equal to C2V or Q3 equal to C3V. So charges Q1, Q2, Q3, capacitance C1, C2, C3 and potential V. V is the voltage. So three capacitance with three charges. Charges on individual capacitors. Total charge Q equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Q equal to V C1 plus C2 plus C3. Therefore, equal capacitor C equal to Q upon V equal to Q upon Q1 upon V plus Q2 upon V plus Q3 upon V equal to C1, C2, C3. So for capacitor in parallel, C equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Parallel plate capacitor C equal to Q upon V. Two parallel plate in charges Q positive one plate and negative second plate. In between distance D, this is the potential V. C equal to Q upon V. Consider a parallel plate capacitor as shown in figure. Assume the uniform surface area. This surface area in charges, so uniform surface charge density plus rho s is distributed on the upper plate. This is the upper plate, and the surface of minus rho s is distributed on the lower plate. Thus the total charges on any plate is given by Q equal to rho s and area A. Rho s surface charge density centimeter meter square. A is the area of the plate. A is the area of plate meter square. In between the two plates, the flux density is uniform. It is directed by plus rho s plus rho s and minus k rho s. That the flux density is in the opposite direction. So D equal to कितना होता है? Charges upon surface area A, Q upon A, and in direction opposite direction minus का AZ in three dimensional Z, Y and X, and this Z is the opposite direction minus के Z. So the flux density is in opposite direction to the AZ, Now electrical field intensity again. Electrical field intensity E equal to D upon permittivity. How? कैसे? Because D equal to permittivity of E, तो E equal to D upon permittivity. तो D the flux density, E equal to D की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे तो Q अपॉन परमिटिविटी A माइनस के AZ is the unit vector. Here as shown in figure, the two plates are separated by a distance of D. Thus, according to the definition of potential, the potential of upper plate with respect to the lower plate is given as. तो V इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा? V इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ जीरो टू डिस्टेंस D E वेक्टर डॉट dl. तो E की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे तो V इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ जीरो टू D माइनस के Q अपॉन परमिटिविटी A माइनस के AZ डॉट dl. But the Cartesian coordinate system, the differential length dl is given by dl in respect to Cartesian coordinate systems. This is the Cartesian coordinate system z, y and x. In differential length dl equal to कितना होता है? dl equal to dx ax plus dy ay plus dz az unit vector. Now potential value put v equal to minus integration of 0 से d q upon permittivity of a माइनस का az एंड dl पुट कर देंगे यहाँ पर. अदर वेक्टर विल बी कैंसिल. इक्वल टू 0 से d q अपॉन परमिटिविटी ऑफ a az डॉट az और dz. az डॉट az इक्वल टू 1, द वेक्टर यूनिटी. az डॉट az इक्वल टू 1, पुट द वैल्यू. तो इंटीग्रल v इक्वल टू 0 से d q अपॉन परमिटिविटी ऑफ a dz. तो ले लेते हैं q अपॉन कितना हो जाएगा? परमिटिविटी ऑफ a, वैल्यू पुट ऑफ z 0 से d, तो कितना हो जाएगा? v इक्वल टू qd अपॉन परमिटिविटी ऑफ a. दिस इज द फाइनल वैल्यू ऑफ पोटेंशियल v. of v qd upon permittivity of a. now the capacitance c is given by c equal to कितना होता है? c equal to q upon v. पुट वैल्यू कर देंगे c equal to q upon v की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे qd upon permittivity of a. q से q कैंसिल हो जाएगा, क्या बचेगा? permittivity of a upon d. This is the value c equal to permittivity of a upon d. तो permittivity E0 ER. E0 क्या है? permittivity of free space and ER relative permittivity. अगेन सॉल्व कर लेंगे. In order to evaluate the total work done in transfer the total charge Q from one plate to the other, we can divide this charge into many small increments dq. Find the increment work dw in transferring this incremental charges using the above formula, and then sum all these work. But before the put v equal to q upon c, so dw equal to q dq upon c. Integrating above equation on both sides yield wq equal to integral 0 से q, q dq upon c equal to q square upon 2c. Capacitor is the same as the energy stored in the capacitor. Since c equal to q upon v, we can write this stored energy in one of three equivalent forms. w equal to q square upon 2c. तो q की वैल्यू c v square upon 2, q 2 से 2 q v by 2. These formula are valid for any type of capacitor, since the argument that we use to derive them do not depend on any special property of parallel plate capacitor. Where is the energy in the parallel plate capacitor actually stored? Well, if we think about it, the only place it could be stored in the electrical field generated between the plate. Thank you watching this video.